Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheila. You know I've been doing the different types of fillings for my rolls. When I start off with cinnamon rolls, well, today is no different. Today I'm doing an Asian inspired filling, which I'm using sesame oil, sesame seeds, garlic, some ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a few other ingredients as well. I'm going to mix them all together with the pork. Then I'm going to fill it up inside the dough, slice it, bake it, and when it comes out, I'm going to be topping it off with some sliced, shredded Parmesan cheese on top, sesame seeds, and then I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some maple syrup over the top. For the side dipping dish, I'm going to use some chili oil and some duck sauce. These two sweet and savory flavors are definitely going to make your mouth water, and the dough itself will melt in your mouth. I'm telling you, I think that you'll like it. So let me wash my hands so we can get started. All right now. Well, that was fun for me today. I hoped you enjoyed my video that I made. These rolls are really good. You'll have to try them, especially because of the two flavors, the savory and the sweet, and the dipping sauce. I'm telling you. This is great for like if you don't want to have a full-blown dinner, and because it's meat in dough. So it's going to fill you up. Or you could prepare it with a side salad. But it's great for like if you're entertaining, casually have the girls come over or something, and some friends come over, and you can serve it with a nice, bottle of wine or something. Or, and I said if you're going to make it with as a meal, you could make a side salad or some rice or something like that. But these are perfect. Take them for lunch. The couple throw them in the microwave at work and go, you know. But anyway, that's it for today. Everybody have a wonderful and safe week, and I'll see you next time. All right. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I would love to have you. Trying to figure out. Like, subscribe, leave comments, suggestions, questions. All right, everybody, take care. I'll see you later. Bye.